outfit is always bright and very vibrant, and I love red, so I'm in this red outfit. And I look forward to this because I think we need to support India and made in India designers and make sure that they reach internationally and they do India proud. Thank you. Thank you. Are we asked to be seated or are
Australia's Consul General here in Mumbai. This is my wife, Francina. She's dressed by Rohit Verma. Today you can see this amazing outfit, spectacular. It's been quite a treat getting dressed for this amazing event, which really showcases the best of India's fashion here in Mumbai. It's a vibrant city and it's vibrant fashion scene, so we're very privileged to be part of it today. Thank you.
वंडरफुल। रोहित इज़ अ वेरी ओल्ड फ्रेंड, बहुत ही पुराना दोस्त है, फैमिली है और बहुत सालों से हमारा एक अच्छा घर का रिलेशन, फैमिली रिलेशन है। एंड आई एम ऑलवेज वेरी हैप्पी फॉर रोहित, all the hard work which he has done all his years, and I think he's a fantastic designer and very popular among the youth, and of course all ages. Rohit is for everyone, you know. So I think he rocks, and all the very best for him always. Welcome. Thank you.
I had to be here for Rohit show because I have not been able to attend his shows in the last 3 years, because fortunately every time he calls me I am busy shooting somewhere, and unfortunately or fortunately this time I was free and I came, and he's always been very lucky for me. He's always been there for me, and obviously I have to be there for my little brother, my little Rohit, and I wish him all the very best, and may he keep rocking, may he keep flourishing, may he keep
best, and I know he will rock. Love you, Rohit.
मैं ही बोलूँगा, it's a beautiful vibe, as you can see the people around, beautiful faces around, you know, and such amazing people around, so it's a great vibe to be here, and really looking forward to the show, and बस मैं chewing gum खा रहा हूँ, इससे ज़्यादा बोलूँगा तो chewing gum बाहर ना आ जाए कहीं. Thank you.
I just want to congratulate to Rohit Verma, and this time I shot with him because he personally, told me that you have to do this shoot for me, and actually it went well. So beautiful, super happy for him. Whenever he's doing something different and beautiful, and lots of wishes to him. Always good luck, Rohit, and this time again we're gonna enjoy, all of us. Thank you.
Thank you. I think it's all very well organized, looking lovely, and I'm here to support my very, very dear friend Rohit Verma, who is so talented. I can't wait to see the show now. Thank you. Yes, it's the same thing, and I'm super excited for this because it is.
So we are very happy to be here to support Rohit Verma. He's an extremely talented designer and a dear friend. So we are here to watch his new collection and cheer him up. So all the best to Rohit, and let's rock it tonight.
And Rohit knows that I love florals, anything to do with flowers and gardens, my favorite theme. So I'm here to support Rohit and love him.
excited to be here for Rohit always. He's worked very, very hard for every collection he does, and I'm very proud of the fact that he's a friend of mine, and I'm really looking forward to the collection he has. That's it. Thank you. I appreciate it.
अरे मीडिया ले रहा है. Where is Parul? Where is Parul? Call Parul. So start, right? So hi. First off, thank you so much Rohit for gifting me so beautiful gift here, and I'm wearing dress yours, रोहित वर्मा डिज़ाइनर. एंड आज का कलेक्शन बहुत अच्छा होने वाला है. जैसे कि हम लोग हर साल और हर शो में रोहित के आते हैं. न्यू फैब्रिक्स एंड न्यू एम्ब्रॉयडरिंग्स, न्यू कलर, समथिंग डिफरेंट जिसके अंदर वो जान डाल देता है. वो तो बहुत यूनिक होती है, एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई एम वेरी सरप्राइज टू सी दिस कलेक्शंस. अभी आज का क्या न्यू कलेक्शंस कमिंग, सो वो मैं देखना चाहती हूँ, और आई एम वेरी हैप्पी. मैनी कांग्रेचुलेशन टू रोहित वर्मा. थैंक यू.
It's a wonderful show, and I'm looking forward that Rohit keeps doing wonders in life. He's a man on a mission, and the way he's taking things forward, there's no thing which can really take him on a back seat. He is a rock star, and I wish him all the very best in life. Thanks a million.
दादा. Thank you, दादा.
जी मेरे फैमिली मेम्बर है रोहित वर्मा, और मुझे लगता है उनके प्रोग्राम में हम नहीं पूरी इंडस्ट्री आती है, और बहुत बहुत बधाई उनको, शुभकामनाएं बहुत सारी. थैंक यू.
So this is my first time for Rohit Verma show, and I'm really excited, really looking forward for it, and I hope कि मैं मतलब मिस हुआ है मेरा हर बार जब भी वो इनवाइट भेजते हैं और मैं नहीं आ पाती हूँ, बट दिस टाइम आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड क्योंकि बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है, बहुत सारे लोग हैं, एंड आई मस्ट से रोहित इज़ रियली अमेजिंग विद यू नो मैनेजिंग दिस सोशली थिंग. सबको एक साथ एक रखना रोहित को अच्छी तरह आता है, एंड मेरे लिए फर्स्ट टाइम है तो बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ उसका शो देखने के लिए. इट्स एक्चुअली वेरी एक्साइटेड. आई एम जस्ट हैप्पी. Thank you.
Walking, I'll see you. I'm just where the interviews are being there. The next bar.
अरे अंदर आएगी 10 लोग हेलो बोलेंगे. चल.
Come.
आपको रोहित वर्मा के शो में आके कैसा लगा? हमें बहुत अच्छा लगा. हम हर साल आते हैं रोहित वर्मा के शो में, और रोहित वर्मा और हमारी यारी बिग बॉस सीजन 3 में हुई थी, और
अब तक बरकरार है.
नहीं, बीच में 9 साल बरकरार नहीं थी और उसकी, लेकिन उसके बाद भी मेट. एंड बिग बॉस ऐसी एक जगह है जहाँ पे रिश्ते बनते भी हैं और टूटते भी हैं, बिगड़ते भी हैं. तो उसके बाद हम लोगों ने पैचअप किया, और उस साल से लेके आज तक 4 साल हो गए, हमने कभी मिस नहीं किया. एटलीस्ट मैंने कभी मिस नहीं किया. तनाज उससे पहले भी जाती थी.
मैं बस ये कहना चाहूँगी कि रोहित हर साल कोई ना कोई नया फैशन, कुछ नया लुक, कुछ ना कुछ लेकर ही आता है एंड वी ऑलवेज वेट फॉर इट। वो इतने खुश जितने खुश मिजाज है उतने उनके स्टाइल्स भी है एंड आई थिंक आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू टुडेज lineup of clothes, his designs, and I just want to wish him all the very best and we are always going to be here for him.
लेकिन ये इतने अतरंगी कपड़े जो ये फैशन शो में पहनते हैं और कब कोई पहन सकता है आम जिंदगी में, ये मेरा सवाल रोहित वर्मा से भी है। अदरवाइज जो उसके लास्ट ईयर के आउटफिट्स थे मुझे अभी भी याद है, बहुत अच्छे थे और वो कोई पहन सकता है, लेकिन
And Rohit show is always a celebration, so it's such a nice thing to come for him and meet everybody, and his collection is lovely as always, so we always look forward to his shows.
Yes, it's a stunning outfit and Rohit is amazing, he's wonderful as always. And
Well, me, Vaishali, is associated with Rohit as per jewelries, and we are soon coming up with our new showroom. Thank you.
Thank you. This is my first time at JSCW, and I believe it's the 6th edition, and it keeps getting bigger and better. And the vibe here was super electric and was really, really enjoyable. So, it was great to be here. I love the theme of the show today. It was mystical, the garden, and I feel very like garden chic in the florals that I'm wearing. And I saw the rest of the show as well from backstage, and it was very pretty, very fairy tale-ish and enchanting. And of course, I'm sure Rohit will add to that about your collection.
Well, I think she's already spoken so much. She looks stunning in my clothes, and she's a beautiful person. When I called her, she was always there, and we did doing this beautiful jewelry. And Satya Bhaiya being there, Bhaiya, please come that side. I've given him 100 calls, and he's been like my strength. Thank you each and everybody present over media, and of course the jewelry, of course my bags partner, Mehtab Bhai. Thank you everybody. Well, I went to some handy garden and I got this inspiration. I think I'm a creative person. Every time I come up with out of the box theme, so I think let's celebrate the garden, let's celebrate the woman, let's celebrate femininity, and that's what the idea came in my mind 3 months back when JSCW approached me. I said, let's do Mystical Garden.
I loved it. I loved the long ramp. It just felt, it was a little endless, but it felt really good. And I just feel like it's a great way for each piece to tell its story, because you get to see it for longer, and it's just you're not rushing in and out. So I believe it was the longest
I have to
ramp.
say something. When I went to Diana's house for the fittings, I happened to meet her mother. I think she's such an incredible and a beautiful woman. I get that vibe from her. She's so blessed to have a lovely mother like her. May Lord Krishna always bless both of them, and they'll rise and shine.
Thank you.